Hello everyone. According to new education policy, competency based education must be given to students in every grades. Now let us see what is the meaning of competency based education. So first of all, what are competencies? Competency is a set of knowledge, attitudes and skills that helps students to perform tasks individually. Competency means we are giving some knowledge, attitudes, and skills to the students which will help them in solving the particular task without taking any help from others. He or she must be competent enough to solve his problems. That is the meaning of competency. Now, how to develop these competency? The main goal of competency based education is to give each student equal opportunity to master necessary skills and become successful adults. And Vedic mathematics plays an important role to enhance problem solving competency amongst students. Now we will see how with the help of Vedic mathematics problem solving competency of students increases. As we know that Vedic maths is a magical tool to reduce scratch work and finger counting, and it also helps in improving our mental calculation. Now when we are doing the calculation mentally, that means we are able to solve a problem quickly without taking much time. Now who is Bharti Krishna Tirtha Ji Maharaj? He is the father of Vedic maths because he has discovered 16 sutras called formulas of Vedic mathematics and 13 sub formulas. That's why he has given Vedic mathematics to all of us, because earlier these sutras or formulas were not assembled and they are scattered in different Vedas. So Swamiji collected all sutras and compiled them in his book. Now what are the advantages of Vedic maths? As I told you, it is a fast way of doing the calculation. That means it will help in increasing the speed. It is easy to learn. Now when the speed of an individual increases, that means he becomes more self-confident. It saves our time, develops mental mass because we are doing the calculations mentally. Logical thinking develops, accuracy, and so there are so many benefits of Vedic maths. Now let us see how we can do multiplication with the help of Vedic mathematics, and this method of multiplication which we are going to discuss here is called Nikhilam base method. Now there is a multiplication of 106 and 108. Now we have to multiply it. Let us see how we will do. For this, first of all we have to understand in front of 106 there is written plus 6. What is the meaning of this? That 106 is 6 more than 100. So that's why plus 6 is written. Similarly, 108 is 8 more than 100. So plus 8 is written in front of 108. So 6 and 8, these are also called the deviations. Means how much the number is deviated from 100. If it is a 100 base number, and if it is a 1000 base number, then how much is the deviation from 1000. Now what we will do, there are two parts of this. So for right hand side answer we have to multiply 6 and 8. As you can see, 6 multiply 8 is 48. So we have written 48 in the right hand side, and then on the left hand side we have to take either 108 and do the addition of plus 6, or we can take 106 and add 8 also. We will get the same answer. Now 106 and 8, it gives us 114. So our answer is 114 then 48. So see how simple it is to do the calculation. Comparison between traditional method and Vedic maths method. Now see, a clear comparison is given. In conventional method, it is taking so much of space and so much of time. Suppose we have to multiply 103 and 105. Now how many steps are there? In conventional method, there are 4 steps. And in Vedic maths method, it is possible in only 1 step. Now 103, deviation is 3. In 105, deviation is 5. So for the right part of the answer, we will multiply 3 and 5. We are getting 15. And for the left part, we have to cross multiply. Crossly add, you can say. 103 will be added with 5. It becomes 108. So the answer is 10815. Now, there is a question for you. Pause the video and try to give the answer of this question in 5 seconds. 104 multiply 106. What is the answer? Now let us check. What we will do? The deviations are 4 and 6. So we will multiply 4 and 6. We will get 24. That is the right part of the answer. And for the left part, we can add 104 with 6, because 6 is the deviation of next number. So 104 plus deviation of next number, that is 6. It becomes 110. So the complete answer is 11024. Yes, your answer is correct. The answer is 11024. Now, let us see how we are going to square numbers ending with 5. There is a number, let's say 65. Now, we have to do the square of 65. Now, what is the method of doing the square? See, the left part of the number is 6. So, we will take one more than 6. That is 7. So, 6 multiply 7 is 42 is the left part of the answer. And for the right part, we will always get 25, because this is a number which ends in 5. So, our answer is 4225. So, see how simple it is. Now, let us take another example of square of 35. Now, see 35, the left part of the number is 3. Now, what is 1 more than 3 is 4. Then 3 and 4 are multiplied. We are getting 12. And for the right part, 25 will always come. So, 1225 is our answer. Now, a question for you again. What is the square of 95? You have to give the answer in 2 seconds only. So, the answer is, what comes after 9? That is 10. 9 multiply 10 is 90. And the 25 will come. So, 9025. Your answer is correct. 9025. Now, there is a multiplication of 2-digit numbers which is applicable in any type of numbers, and this method is called vertically and crosswise method also, because here we are doing vertical multiplication and crosswise multiplication. Now, this is a general formula for doing the multiplication. Suppose we are having two numbers AB and we have to multiply it by U and V. So what we will do? First we will do the vertical multiplication in both the corners. That is BV will come in the right side. In the left side AU will come. And in the middle we have to do the cross multiplication and then we have to add. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Suppose we have to multiply 21 with 23. Now what will be our answer? First do the vertical multiplication in the right side. 3 ones are 3. Then do the cross multiplication and add. 3 twos are 6, 2 ones are 2. So the answer is 8. And again do the vertical multiplication at the left. 2 twos are 4. So our answer is 483. Now let us take another example. If sometimes we are getting 2-digit number in the middle or at the extreme left, then what we will do? Now here we have to multiply 12 and 34. So first of all we are multiplying the right side, that is 2 and 4. So 2 4s are 8. So it is written with pink color. The answer is 8. Now for the middle part we have to do the cross multiplication and add. Now 4 ones are 4, 3 twos are 6. So our answer is 10. So first of all write down 10. Now for the extreme left we have to multiply 3 and 1. So our answer is 3 ones are 3. Now in the middle we are getting 10. So what we will do? We will retain 2, 0 at the middle, and we will pass on 1 to the next number, that is 3. So our answer is 408. Now if suppose at the extreme right in place of 8 we are getting 2-digit number, then also we will use the same procedure. We will retain 1's digit and we will pass on the 10th digit to the next number. Now let us see an example of 3-digit number. So the same method is applicable for 3-digit number also. So here is the example. For 3-digit number we have to go in 5 steps. Now first step is, that is vertical multiplication at the extreme right, you can see. Then we have to take pair of 2 digits, that is 2 1 5 4. We have to do the cross multiplication. Now we are going from right to left. Then we have to take the combination of 3 numbers, that is 3 to 1 2 5 4. So here we have to do cross multiplication of extreme left numbers and the vertical multiplication of the middle number, and we have to add all together. Then in the same way we will move further. Then do the cross multiplication. We will take 2 pairs and then the last is only 1 vertical multiplication is left. So see, we are getting the answers. And now for writing the final answer, what we are going to do? We will retain one number and pass the second digit to the another. So see, the 4 is at the extreme right. Then in the 13 we are writing 3 and we will pass 1 to the 24. It becomes 25. We will retain 5 and we will pass on 2 to the next number, that is 19. So 19 plus 2 is 21. 21 is 1 and we will pass 2 to number 6. So it becomes 5. So in this way, after regular practice, you will be able to give the answer directly without taking much time. So this method is general and it is applicable in any case of numbers. So I hope you understand how Vedic mathematics helps you in increasing the problem solving skills. Thank you.